Be informed. Be alert. The information you need to know about COVID-19 vaccine. Right here, right now, on THEVAX.
I was one of those who volunteered to get the COVID-19 vaccine when it was released, and so I was scheduled on the third week of January. Unfortunately, I experienced some mild allergy or itchiness from an unknown source that disrupted my rest and sleep at night before my vaccine and had to take some steroid medications for it. So I told my superior and one of the person in charge of the vaccination that I'm not gonna take it since I'm worried that it might worsen the side effects of the vaccine. About 2 weeks after my medications, with a little relief on my symptoms, one of the in charge of the vaccination went up to our department to encourage us to take the vaccine. So I asked her if it's okay to take the vaccine even though I'm still experiencing some mild itchiness. So she told me to just go through it and just take the vaccine and I will be okay. So after a few hours of thinking and hesitations, I went down to take my first dose of COVID-19 vaccine on the 4th of February. After the injection, they observed me for about 30 minutes with all the medical personnel on standby. And aside from soreness in my injection site, tiredness, and body ache, I didn't experience any severe reactions at all. So I just took paracetamol and went back to work. So it's just like any other vaccine that we were given since we were young until we got old. I decided to get the vaccine even though I was hesitant due to my allergy, and it's not 100% sure that I won't get the virus after having it because I believe in science. COVID-19 vaccine contains messenger RNA that helps your immune system to produce protective responses in preventing COVID-19. So I believe that it has been assessed by proper authorities to be safe for use, and if it's safe for me, it should be safe for all of us. I also believe in the power of prayers. With the vaccine supported with our ardent prayers, I'm hoping that I can be protected. I'm hoping that I can deliver safe care to my patients. I'm hoping that I can go home safely and see my families. And I'm hoping that our lives will get back to normal once all the people around the world are vaccinated, except of course for those who have medical conditions and those under the age of 16. So to all my fellow Ilonggos, don't be afraid to take the risk, because then only we can fight this pandemic. And God never helps those who don't help themselves as well. So take the vaccine.